Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English to tinker with. Bob and Jake are friends. They're talking about stuff around the house. Hey, Jake, did you manage to fix that old radio you found in the attic? Not quite, but I'm getting closer. I've been doing some research on how to repair vintage electronics. That sounds fascinating. I didn't know you were into that sort of thing. Yeah, it's a new hobby of mine. I find it really satisfying to bring old gadgets back to life. Well, if you ever need a hand, I'd love to help out. I've been wanting to learn more about electronics too. That'd be great, Bob. Maybe we can tinker with the radio together this weekend. Quiz time. What does to tinker mean? To create something? To make a mess? To clean something? To adjust or make small changes? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To adjust or make small changes. Verb details. We often tinker with cars, tinker with gadgets, tinker with computers, tinker with electronics. To tinker with something means to make small changes or adjustments. A similar verb is to play with, typically for things with a function. Do you ever tinker with stuff? Share in the comments below. Examples. He enjoys tinkering with old radios to make them work again. She spent the afternoon tinkering with her bike to improve its performance. I like to tinker with my computer, upgrading components when needed. He tinkers with old cars sometimes to make them like new. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Not quite. Not yet. Not exactly. Vintage. Something valuable from the past. Fascinating. Incredibly interesting. To need a hand. To need help. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.